Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Jumptask to earn money. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so before we start, Jumptask is a micro earning platform that rewards you in its own cryptocurrency. Now this is called Jump Token or JMPT for completing small online activities. It is free to join, simple to use, and available globally. So you don't need any special skills, just some spare time and some internet access. Now, first step is to go to your Player App Store, download and install Jumptask, and then we need to go ahead and open up for the first time. So once you open, it's going to say how many tasks to earn money. So complete an easy task and earn money fast. Your first reward is just 8 seconds away. So click continue. Find a perfect task for you. So just basically go through here, click agree to continue. Now we need to sign in. So we can sign in a Google account, Facebook, or we can connect our wallet connect. I'm going to choose my Google account. Now from here, allow Jumptask to send you notifications. Click on enable, keep earning daily rewards. So battery optimization may close Jumptask, stopping you from claiming rewards. Tap below to keep the app running smoothly. So I'm going to go ahead and click on enable, click allow. Now from here, you're going to be taken to the home screen of Jumptask. Now on the top right hand corner, it's going to show you your current earnings. So obviously I've just opened it up for the first time. Now we can scroll down and have a look at all the different type of rewards we can do, so you can see how much money. So if I play this game, so Raw Vincent, if I come back here, deposit and earn. So if we deposit, play and earn, we can earn up to $38. This is Australian, I'm pretty certain. Now if we scroll down, we got social media tasks. So if we go in and click on view all, now from here, if we follow Jumptask on X, we're going to get 1 cent. If we follow a profile on X, we're going to earn a cent too, or 0.01573 Jumptask. Now these are going to change depending when you're logging on and viewing these. So yeah, basically just scroll around and have a look at all these different tasks we can try. We've got watch and earn, so we can watch YouTube and earn. If I go in and click onto this, let's go ahead and have a look at it. So it's going to show you what we need to do. So click start task to begin, search best robot vacuum 2026. Find the video in the results, so see example. Watch the video for at least 2 minutes. Subscribe to the channel, locate the last link at the bottom of the description and click it. And then we can get rewarded on JMPT. So that's pretty easy. So go ahead and click on reward and then click on start task. I'm not going to do it and bore you by watching 2 minutes of this, but yeah, it's basically how to do it. So it's going to give you instructions on all these different offers and just basically read through what it says and then click on I've read and click on start task. So that's basically the best way how to earn money or use Jumptask to earn money.